How to log out my Google account. So if you want to log out your Google account on your device, then first of all you can simply open up your device settings, and now you can simply go for the search bar, or you can scroll down and go for accounts. But if you don't find accounts, then simply search for that and tap on accounts, and here you will have all of the Google accounts which are present on your device. So you can simply choose any one of the Google account that you would like to remove, and after tapping on that, now here you will have remove account option. You can simply tap on remove account, and removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts and other data from the phone. So if you simply tap on remove account, then your account will be removed. So that's it. That's how you remove your Google account on your device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.